Hi, in this video, we look at how to color your designs using the Xcode's visual color picker here inside SwiftUI. So let's get started. In this example, we have 10 concentric circles. They were used to create this animation. When you look at this example, you can see the 10th circle uses the default white color. Let's use the Xcode's visual color picker called Color Litra to add color to the 10th circle. A color Litra in Xcode allows you to select colors directly from your code. We can use the color Litra along with the foreground color modifier. So after the frame modifier, let's add the foreground color modifier. You can see here the 10th circle is changed. Let's use the color Litra instead. To bring the color Litra, I'm going to remove the blue color and write color, followed by parentheses. We can add the color Litra in two ways. First, let's put the cursor inside the parentheses and go to Edit. Then we move to Format. Let's choose Show Colors. That brings the color picker. We have the color picker in different forms. You can see here, it shows in the form of pencils. You can change the pencil preview and choose different versions, like the sliders or the spectrum. Let's go back to the pencil preview. Let's add the color Litra. When you select any of the colored pencils, you can see a preview at the bottom left. To add the color picker, we can move the mouse on the preview and drag the color. As we drag, you can see the plus icon also shows with the color. Let's move it inside the parentheses and release the mouse. You can now see the 10th circle has changed to the color in the preview. To change the color, we can click any of the pencils and that is updated in the code. So this is how to add the visual color picker using the color Litra here inside Xcode. Let's look at another way to add the color Litra. I will close it from here and remove the foreground color modifier. Let's add it again. In the foreground color modifier, I will write color followed by parentheses. Inside the parentheses, let's write Litra. As we start to write, you can see we get the color Litra in the options. I'll press enter and that brings the color Litra. By double-clicking on the square color, we get all these colors. To show more colors, we need to click Order, and that brings the same dialog window. So this is how to use the Xcode visual color picker directly in your code using color literals in SwiftUI.